Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Manufacturing Insights. In today's video, we'll be discussing the paramount importance of using a full-fledged production control software system in a factory setting. We'll delve into the various reasons why manufacturers should invest in such a system to optimize their operations and achieve sustainable growth. So let's jump right in. As we all know, production control is the backbone of any manufacturing process. It involves planning, organizing, and controlling all activities within the factory to ensure the smooth flow of operations. Implementing a robust production control software system can significantly impact a factory's performance in various ways. Let's explore some of the key points. Budgeting purposes. Effective budgeting is crucial for any business's financial health. The production control software system provides detailed insights into resource utilization, production costs, and operational expenses, making it easier for manufacturers to create accurate budgets and financial forecasts. Quality control purposes. A full-fledged production control software system enables real-time monitoring of production processes, ensuring that quality standards are met at every stage. By identifying and rectifying any deviations promptly, manufacturers can maintain consistent and high-quality products. Cost control and waste reduction. One of the most critical aspects of any production process is cost control. The software system provides valuable insights into resource allocation and consumption, enabling manufacturers to identify areas of excessive waste and optimize resource usage, ultimately leading to cost reduction. Minimizing reprocessing. With better control over production processes, the chances of defects and errors are minimized. This, in turn, reduces the need for reprocessing or rework, saving both time and resources. Improving productivity. Production control software streamlines operations and ensures that each task is carried out efficiently. This leads to improved productivity and faster turnaround times, meeting market demands more effectively. Applying Lean Six Sigma principles. Lean Six Sigma focuses on process optimization and waste reduction. By integrating these principles into the production control software, manufacturers can continuously improve their processes and deliver better products to customers. Monitoring employee performance. The software system provides valuable performance metrics for individual employees and teams. This data helps managers identify areas where additional training or support is needed and recognize high-performing employees. Maintaining industry and product quality standards. Staying compliant with industry standards and regulations is crucial for any manufacturing company. The production control software ensures that all processes align with the required standards, reducing the risk of non-compliance issues. Monitoring company performance based on data. Data-driven decision-making is becoming increasingly vital in today's competitive manufacturing landscape. The software system gathers real-time data, allowing management to make informed decisions and adapt quickly to changing market conditions. Paving the way for future advancements. By analyzing historical production data, manufacturers can identify patterns and trends that offer insights into potential future advancements. This proactive approach positions the company to stay ahead of the curve. Mitigating risks. Production control software helps identify potential risks and bottlenecks in the production process. By addressing these issues promptly, manufacturers can mitigate the impact of risks and prevent potential disruptions. Improve customer satisfaction. Production control software can help you to improve customer satisfaction by ensuring that you meet demand and deliver orders on time. This can lead to increased sales and repeat business. Maintaining sustainable growth. Incorporating production control software into the manufacturing process fosters sustainable growth by optimizing operations, reducing waste, and delivering high-quality products that meet customer demands consistently. Identifying product life cycles. Understanding the life cycles of products is essential for strategic planning. The software system tracks product performance over time, helping manufacturers identify trends and fluctuations in demand. This knowledge enables them to make informed decisions about product improvements, replacements, or discontinuations. Introducing new models and innovations. As the production control system gathers valuable data on product life cycles, it becomes easier for manufacturers to identify opportunities for introducing new models or innovations. When a product's life cycle is approaching its end, this data-driven approach enables manufacturers to introduce updated versions or entirely new products to stay competitive in the market. Monitoring product lead times. The lead time for each product, from the initial order to the final delivery, is a critical factor in meeting customer expectations. The production control software system allows manufacturers to monitor lead times closely and make adjustments to streamline processes and meet delivery deadlines efficiently. In conclusion, the implementation of a comprehensive production control software system is a game-changer for factories seeking success and sustainability in the highly competitive manufacturing landscape. This system goes beyond merely ensuring quality control and waste minimization. It becomes a strategic tool empowering decision-making, budgeting, and fostering innovation. By leveraging data and technology, manufacturers can optimize their operations, enhance productivity, and ultimately pave the way for long-term growth and prosperity. Investing in such a software system is undeniably crucial for any factory that aspires to thrive and remain at the forefront of the industry. Thank you for watching today's episode of Manufacturing Insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more industry-related content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay efficient and keep innovating.